Question number 18. Hydrogen ion and singly ionized helium atom are accelerated from rest through the same potential difference. So the ratio of final speeds of hydrogen and helium is the problem that we have to solve. So we have to find basically the ratio of final speeds of hydrogen and helium ions. Okay. As we know that K is equal to P square by 2m and K is equal to QV. So QV is equal to P square by 2m, and P is also formula of momentum, which is equal to mv. So Q is equal to m square v square by 2m. Okay. Now we would simply convert this equation in terms of v, which would be equal to root 2 qv upon m. And as we know that v is directly proportional to root q by m, so we would now uh, find the value of ratio, find the ratio between the ions of hydrogen and helium, which would be root e by m upon root e by 4m. So we would get the value of 2:1. So ratio between the speed of helium ions and hydrogen ions would be 2:1.